Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about another airdrop opportunity and the coin name called TIP. Okay, so basically this is a hyped project because yesterday I saw this project, the followers were only 49k something like that. Okay, but now I'm seeing 71k. It's actually trending everywhere in the Twitter. Then I thought of doing the research about this project. Actually this is one of the project which is currently getting hyped because people can farm the points by just sharing. People are actually scoring a lot of points in order to get the tip token. Okay, so I'll show you how it's getting done. So here you can see the process, guys. This is how it process. TIPCoin works off 1 week e-push that started on September 1 and it's going to be end on September 8th, I guess. Okay, and when the time is getting end, you will be able to points earned during an e-push can be claimed for tip tokens. Okay, so you can actually claim the tip token for the points that you have earned. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can claim the points, and there is a catch also there. Okay, recently there is another project called TS. Okay, even that was having the same kind of hype. That's why many people were commenting. Okay, the same type of hype that TS wasted is what TIPCoin want to use to properly launch tip token, something like that they are saying. Okay, like this TS also same hype it had. The thing is they wasted it by giving very amount. That's why people were disappointed in TS, but the same kind of hype even this TIPCoin is getting. Okay, so guys, it's totally up to you to do this one because there is no background about this project. Okay, even if you go to their Twitter account you can't find much details about themselves. Okay, they just have their website and they just want you to do the tweet and spread their name. Okay, so by doing so you are getting the points, and they said our contract is not live, we will post here a day before trading is enabled. Okay, so probably we don't have much of the information about themselves. Okay, it's same like that, the TS only, and I'm not sure about how much profit we're gonna get, but if you want to try this one, because 8th of September is near, only 4 more days left, so if you want to try this one it's totally up to you. And let's see guys, before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and continue watching guys. By clicking that like button, it means a lot to me. It hardly takes 1 second to hit the like button. I hope you're liking my video and continue watching it. Okay, and this is my Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details and links and everything. Okay, and recently also there's another confirmed airdrop from this logec exchange. Make sure to watch this video and try that airdrop. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video guys. So first of all, I'll be leaving this link in the description. Just click on that. It may take you to my Twitter account or else it may take you to my Telegram channel. So there you can find the link. Just click on that, then it will take you here. Once you come here on top, here you can see login to claim. Okay, so just click on that and then it will ask you to connect your Twitter account. Please connect your Twitter account to join the airdrop. This is just to verify your account. We won't be able to post or make any changes. Okay, so they won't have the authority to post or make any changes in our account. So we can connect our Twitter account here, and here are the things they can do with our account. Okay, they can see tweets or our timeline tweets and all, and then they can see our profile information and account settings, and they can even see whom and all we have blocked and mute. Okay, so these are the things they can do. So I'm gonna click authorize app, and here you can see guys, now our account got successfully logged in, and we have to claim this now we have to activate this account. In order to activate it, we have to do two things. Okay, we have to share these two things, then only we'll be able to activate this account. Okay, so just click on the share button, then it will take you to your Twitter account, and here you can see once you click on the post, then again head back there. Okay, and after you click the post, again head back here, and here you can see the retweet button. So just click on the retweet and then you gotta do the retweet too. Okay, and then it will take you here you can see the retweet button. Okay, so just click on the retweet and then it will get retweeted. Okay, so once it got retweeted, just come back here and click on this check. Once you click on the check status, here you can see your account has been successfully activated. Okay? And after you do that, it's ready. Okay, and now what we have to do is we have to earn points. Okay, so just click on the points, and here you can see it will take you to this page. So here you can see it will take you to get started. We connected our Twitter account, even did the join message and start earning points. Okay, so I'll show you how you can start generating points, and we'll be able to claim our points for the tip token after the each epoch. That means after it gets ended. Now I'll show you the timings. Okay, so there is a timing which is running now. After it gets end, then we'll be able to claim it. Here you can see the time remaining. Okay, so here you can see the time is running. Claim the tokens for the point you have earned. Okay, and here you can see my point as of now only 1 lakh points I'm having. And now how you can make more point is just take a screenshot of this page. Okay, so once you take the screenshot of this page, just come back to the main page, and here is how the point works. Okay, earning point is very simple. Just use your Twitter account, reply or tweet out mentioning this thing. Okay, so these two things you have to mention and do the tweet, and if you do that, that tweet will be awarded. Okay, depending on the people are liking it or the impression you are getting, and tipped for the replay and replied kickbacks and all, you'll be able to see the points how much you're going to get. So original tweet 20x point multiplier you will be getting, and here you can even calculate the expected point. Okay, and for example, your original tweet gets the view of here you can drag and drop. Okay, so if your view is getting, so if your tweet is getting 10k views, and here you can see the points. Okay, how much point you're going to get, and the likes. Okay, if you are getting 100 likes or 200 likes, you'll be able to see the points according to the likes you're going to get. So you can actually calculate it here how much you're going to get. Okay, so just leave this one. So after you taking the screenshot, just open your Twitter account and make a post like this. Okay, so now we have to make a tweet. Okay, so just come inside, and after I took the screenshot, here you can see the screenshot, and make content like whatever you like to say about the project. Just do. You can even ask your community people or your friends to comment this in your comment section. Okay, so it's totally obvious. So just because I'm making this video, that doesn't mean you must comment these things inside in my comment section. Okay, so it's totally up to you. If you want, you can do. If you don't want, you don't have to. Okay, so I'm not forcing anybody to do the comment and all. Okay, so it's totally up to you, and just click on the post button. Once you click on the post button, it will get posted. Okay, now you can see it got posted now, and now if you head back here, and how to check whether you got the points or not is here you can see the mentions. Okay, so just click on the mention, and here you will be able to see the today's tip and today's tweet and today's replies and everything. Will be able to see it here. Claim section after September 8th, you will be able to claim it here. Okay, so claiming will be enabled at the end of the epoch 1. Okay, so you have to wait for 4 more days. And if you open your dashboard and see, as of now my point is just only 1 lakh. So if you log in itself, you can get this 1 lakh point, and after that, if you want to increase your points, and you have to share your tweet, and then people should interact with your tweet by that mentionings. Okay, so it's totally up to you to try this one, guys, because it hardly takes 5 minutes 10 minutes of your time to do all this process. And if you want to farm, no, you gotta do try to share your tweet with as many people as possible, and make them comment your tweet. No, so if you are getting a lot of tweet and likes and more impression, you will be earning more points. Okay, and your point will be reflected here soon after people does some interaction with your tweet. Okay, so pretty much that's it, guys, about this TIPCoin. Let's see after 4 days. I'll update in my Telegram channel what happened and how much point I got, and whether how much tip token we are going to claim. And I hope it won't end up like that TS. Okay, TS also got the same hype like this, but in the end they gave very little amount to the people who interacted with them. So I hope it won't be like that. And that's it, guys, in this video. Pretty much covered everything. I hope you all like this video. Make sure to hit the like button. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.